Hello, welcome back to another training section. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Today we shall be talking about another way of making antibacterial hand wash. We've talked about a particular way of preparing antibacterial hand wash, and we'll be taking another way of preparing antibacterial hand wash. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, like I said, and if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do. Just click the subscribe button below and also click the bell beside the subscribe button. Then, if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, please also do. Search for Prince Yemi Kasali 1 on Facebook and follow us. So, to prepare 4 liters of antibacterial hand wash, we need nitrosol, we need soda ash, STPP, SLS, glycerin, sulfonic, we need foaming booster, we need formalin, color, and perfume. This is just a normal concept of making a liquid soap while adding formalin, which serve as antibacterial to the solution. Then also add glycerin to also have a smooth hand wash. So for 4 liters of antibacterial hand wash, we will need 30 grams of antisol, 80 grams of soda ash, 40 grams of STPP, 20 grams of SLS, 35 milliliters of glycerin, 120 liters of sulfonic, 120 liters of foaming booster, 10 milliliters of formalin, 20 milliliters of perfume, and a teaspoon of color. Note the formalin is just 10 milliliters because formalin is also poisonous. Formalin is what we use in embalming animals, human beings or animals, in order for them not to decay, or in order for ants and any other fungal anything to affect it. So that means it's a very strong antibacterial agent, but at the same time it's also a strong killer. So please avoid putting much in it, otherwise you might be preparing poison. And you know that this particular solution will be used to wash your hand, and most of the time when you wash your hand, maybe you'll be eaten immediately. So please avoid to prepare poison. So just try and put as little as you can. 10 milliliters is what we'll be using for 4 liters. So please take note of that. Then we'll be adding our tree, which is our antibacterial, into it. Before we also go further, we need to talk about the precautions. Please don't make your preparation close to naked fire. Please avoid contact with the chemicals. Keep your eyes, your skin, and every other thing away from it. Always use your hand glove to protect your hands. Then make sure these chemicals are out of the reach of children. Keep chemicals away from fire and naked flame, and please do not taste chemicals. Okay, thank you very much. Let's move into the preparation proper. But please, like I said, try and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That motivates us to do more video. That simply means we know that you are watching our videos. It's just like you liking a Facebook page. So it gives us that motive that we need to satisfy you more, while it also makes you get our videos whenever we upload one, so that you don't miss on our powerful trainings. So let's go into the preparation proper. This is our nitrosol. Then we have soda ash. We have STPP, SLS, glycerin, sulfonic, foaming booster, formalin, perfume, then color. So we have our water. We put our water into a bowl. So after which we'll be pouring nitrosol. So after pouring nitrosol, we have to stir. We stir our nitrosol properly to have a well mixed solution. I have to stir with my stick. The spoon was not really stirring properly, so I have to stir with my stick. Then so I'll be pouring soda ash into little bowl of water, stir properly, then pour to my mix. So I have to stir that properly, stir the soda ash properly to have at least a little dissolved solution. If we really want it to dissolve well, we need to keep it maybe overnight or try to make it about 12 hours. But for this production, I have to stir properly as much as I can to at least have it well mixed. Then I'll pour it inside the solution, inside the nitrosol solution. So I stir that solution also properly. So I keep stirring till we have the two chemicals well mixed. I just pour little water into the bowl in order to get the remnant and also use it to rinse the one that poured on my stick. So I keep stirring till I have a very good mix. Then I'll have to pour my STPP into little water. Note, what I'm trying to prepare is about 2 liters. So I'm preparing about half of the prescription I gave. So we are preparing 2 liters instead of the 4 liters that was calculated earlier on. So I pour that into it also. Then adding my SLS into little water. I stir properly. Then pour the mix into our solution. So as I'm pouring it into the solution, I also have to stir it properly. I keep stirring till I have a very good mix. So I'm still stirring it. So let me just put in little water to rinse it, then pour back into our solution and keep stirring till I have a very well mixed solution. So this is my sulfonic. So I also had my sulfonic into it. I have to measure it, half of what we prescribed. So then stir. After that, I'll be adding my foaming booster. After adding our foaming booster, I also stir properly to have a well mixed solution. Then I'll be adding formalin in order to have our antibacterial in it. So after adding formalin, I stir properly. And note, the formalin is just as little as I can. So glycerin is what I'm adding now. Then I stir properly to also have a well mixed solution. So I'm stirring. So we keep stirring. Already our soap is ready, but we need to add one more thing that makes it smell great, which is perfume. So I'm adding my perfume. So after adding the perfume, we also stir properly so that the perfume will not be one-sided. It will be well mixed. So after that, we need to add color. So this is our color. I've mixed it in a little bowl of water. So I pour my color into it, then stir. So our antibacterial hand wash is ready for use. So the glycerin and the formalin makes it more different from the normal liquid soap. Our soap is ready. Thank you very much for staying tuned. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, and don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe, and also follow us on Facebook if you are also yet to follow us on Facebook. Thank you very much.